Hello, this is Westgate Property Management, and I am outside of 1417 Dandelion Way in Petaluma. I'm going to walk you through this 3-bedroom, 2-bath home in just a moment, but I'm going to give you a view of the surrounding neighborhood. This home is located just off of Sonoma Mountain Parkway in East Petaluma, near the airport, as you can hear an airplane. This is a nice single-story home with an attached 2-car garage. The entrance to the home is along the side of the home, which is kind of typical for these units. So you come in, and immediately to your left is the living room with vaulted ceilings and access to the backyard, which is all concrete. And then there's the kitchen with gas range and an area that's perfect for a small table. And again, access to the backyard. Really sunny backyard, very clean. Back in the living room. Entryway. And then we'll go to the first bedroom, which is on the side of the house, and access to the backyard through the slider. There's a pantry area, access to the laundry area, and a 2-car garage. Turn off that fan. And the next bedroom, this faces the side of the home. Hall bathroom, tub and shower combination, primary suite, nice seated window, and bathroom, double sink, and a walk-in tub. So again, this is 1417 Dandelion Way in Petaluma. Thank you so much for watching.